Hey, John and Lee, probably one of the biggest or most shocking things that happened in the courtroom today is when Joseph Jakubowski himself got up on the stand to testify. He's the only witness the defense called to the stand today. He was only up there for a few minutes, but in that time, he said that he did break into that gun store, that he took guns and ammunition and headed off northwest. His lawyer today asked him if he was telling the truth, and he said he was. Of course, we can't show you any photos or videos from inside that courtroom since it is federal court, but these sketches were done by an artist here today. Jakubowski's demeanor throughout the trial today seemed to be calm as he listened to the evidence from 11 prosecution-called witnesses. Those witnesses included the gun shop owner who explained that federal manufacturing and distribution license. We also heard from an officer involved in Jakubowski's previous felony charges back in 2008. That's where that first federal charge comes in. Several local and federal law enforcement agents testified about the discovery of firearms at the campsite where Jakubowski was eventually arrested. We saw photos from that campsite for the first time. We were also shown a video of Jakubowski talking to law enforcement the day he was arrested. He had a raspy voice and dirty clothes from being on the run. In that video, he again admitted to breaking into the gun shop and taking the firearms. He called the shop a, quote, easy, unquote, place to break into. We did also learn about DNA evidence collected inside the gun shop, which allegedly matches up to Jakubowski's DNA. Of course, Jakubowski is pleading not guilty to these charges. His lawyer saying the federal government does not have the evidence they need to prove that he is guilty, but now that will be up to those jurors who were selected earlier this morning. The case now lies with them. They will be back here at the federal courthouse at 9 a.m. tomorrow to start deliberations, and we could have an answer as early as tomorrow morning, but we'll be sure to keep everyone updated on air and online as this case kicks off tomorrow morning. For now, live in Madison, Hannah Flood, NBC 15 News.